everyone, this is Pranavi. So today I'm going to speak about the person, the person who is optimistic. He or she known as, they just think in a positive way, and they just lead and live their life in a positive way. And pessimist, the people who just think and live in the negative thoughts, and they just believe in negative thoughts, and they do not welcome positive thoughts, because only because of this they are going to hate someone else, and they are going to hate themselves even. Being optimistic is something really and wonderful world where we are going to stay with only positive thinkings in our toughest times, or when we are facing hurdles. In that situations also we must be an optimistic, so that only we can win from the troubles, and we can come out all those hurdles and troubles, whatever the negativity we are facing. And being a negativity person, facing a negativity is like really, it is like a fire. And you cannot improve your lifestyle, or you cannot enter into the beautiful world where positivity welcomes being a negativity person. And imagine where everyone hates you, no one welcomes into their life, and even positivity wonderful world never welcomes you, and no miracles are going to happen in your life. Being pessimist, and this is what, and I want to say you that and message from me: just be an optimist, so that your life is going to lead happily, and every part of your body consists happiness. I would be pessimist when my mind is not fully matured. Before being an optimist, I would be pessimist, and no one would hate, no one would love me, and they would just hate me, and I cannot speak to them from my heart, because totally negativity in my brain and heart. But now I'm just being an optimistic, how my world had changed. If something negativity enters into my life, I know how to chase it and how to win through it, and I know how to come out of it. Being an optimistic, every positivity and every wonderful world really welcomes you, and every person will accept you as how you are. Just be an optimist. And pessimist is something that really, that you are welcoming the negativity and the bad world where you have never experienced it. And even me, like whenever, if just if I lose some marks in my subject, I'm really weak in my mathematics. If I do not get pass marks in my mathematics, I would just become pessimist, so that teacher would scold me, or he would just make me fear. But whenever I'll write exam, being a positive mind, being an optimist, I would just gain pass marks, and even 60% of marks I would gain. This is something really, you, what type of girl you are, what type of student you are, what type of man, the person you are, just being an optimistic, you can win in everything and anything. And thank you, this is what I want to say you. Thank you.